Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to solve Leetcode number 34, which is find first last position of elements in sorted array. I believe the question itself says you need to find two elements in an array. That's going to be start and that's going to be the last position. So that means there will be a duplicated elements in an array, and you may have more than two elements. So for example, let's take this here. You may have more than two elements. You may have four elements, three elements, five elements, and you don't know. So you need to find the index of the target element and the index of the target element that ends. Okay. Index of first target element, index of last target element. Okay. So you need to return, in this case, you need to return one and one, two, three, four, five, five, one comma five in an array. So that is the case. You may, in this example, that not given, they given only two numbers, two duplicates, but you may have more than two duplicates number. So even after you are, so even after you are in this case, you don't know whether, after you have four elements. So let's take the left as zero and right as how much? Zero, one, two, three, four, five. 5. Okay, mid is going to be somewhere 2. Okay, so mid is going to become this. We'll happily find the target element, but we don't know whether to go to the left or right. So you don't know whether the next target element is exists in the right or left. So that is the reason. So there is a one simple trick that we know that binary search work in such a way that if the mid is going to be this, if the target element is less than the mid, then you have to update it like mid minus one. All right. So if the target element is greater than the mid, then you have to take mid plus one. Right. This approach that we follow. All right. So in this case, we follow the same thing. Okay. As soon as you find a target element, um, you have to increase the left to mid plus one. You have to decrease the right to mid minus one. So that you will be having two functions, and those two functions will be find first target element and find last target element. There will be the two functions, and you apply the binary approach, and then just simply result, then simply return those elements. That's it. So that is the way. So let's take functions, two functions. Let's take. So this will be the first. Find first. Okay, let's take find first. Now simply create those functions. Just simply applying the binary approach, guys. Okay. Okay. Take the two values. So we'll be having left. We'll be having right. The right will be start length minus one, and we'll take one more, which is result. Result is going to be, if we don't find an element, we are going to return the result something like -1. Then you start adding a while loop, which is left is less than or equal to right. Initialize the mid element. So mid is going to be something like this formula, right minus left divided by t. Then you will be checking each and every element with the comparing with the mid. If nums mid equal to target, what we have to do, else if or else. So in this case, if the mid is greater than the target, we just simply decrease the right value. In this case, if mid is less than the target, we just simply increase the mid. In this case, just simply update to the result. Result is going to become mid. After that, you have to move to the, if you want to find the first element, you have to move to the left. So if you want to go to the left, then you have to apply take mid -1. So apply right, it's going to be mid -1. So apply the same thing. Then simply here instead of right, take left and do +1. That's it. Then after this, simply return the result. Here too, then you will be getting a result. Then simply return the result. That's how I think this how we can return something like this. Okay. So, see, this how we can complete it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you. See you in the next video.